Today we're doing a video to show you how to apply Gopher Goo using the slurry method. Scott has found a large gopher hole at the base of a fruit tree, and he's going to work on getting the Gopher Goo into solution before it's applied in the hole. So he's measured out 2 dry cups of Gopher Goo product, which he's adding to a modified watering can. This watering can has had its tip removed so that it will allow the gelled material to slide out easily. No gloves are required because Gopher Goo is a non-toxic product. So Scott has gotten the material in the bucket, and he's going to add the same amount of water times 2. He's used 2 dry weight cups, so he's going to add 4 cups of water to the modified watering can. What this method allows is that this solution can start forming into the gel material before it's applied to the hole, so that it's more effective and easier to use, especially in situations where you don't have a watering hose available, such as this little orchard. The gopher hole that we found is at the base of a tree that was recently killed. It's been replanted, and we want this tree to have a better shot at success. The new tree was replanted with Gopher Goo in the hole, but we're adding it to the gopher hole now. So Scott will take the watering can and slurry it, which will allow the can to get better into solution, just swirling it around. And this allows the polymers to really get some expansion before they're applied to the hole. Now, when he's ready, he's opened up the gopher hole so that you can see a little more of what you're dealing with. And then he will apply this directly into the hole. And it should be a little bit more of a gelled material at this point. Now you can see it's thicker, the compost has started to get into solution, and this will be much more effective and a faster acting method of getting the Gopher Goo solution into the hole. So now you can really see what you're dealing with. And if he'll go ahead and add a little more water to the bucket. And this is not a precise measure, just enough to get what's remaining in that bucket out. You'll slurry it around again, and then add that to your gopher hole. And you can allow this to set up for about 30 minutes, but you can see that the polymer is already getting into solution. So again, a little more water will be added to the bucket, just so we can get that remaining portion out. And the water, better quality water will allow you better expansion for the polymer. But again, slurrying that around with the watering can tip removed allows you to get the Gopher Goo into the hole, and there you go. I'll show you what you've got here. At the base of the gopher hole, rather than a full hole, you now have a hole full of Gopher Goo. And no more gopher. That's about it. Now, how was that, Scott? Was that easier than trapping?
Very easy.
Great. And you feel like you've got a successful plugging of that hole?
Yes, I do.
All right. Thanks very much for your time.